Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and once again I welcome you from Lawrence Garden, Lahore. This is Lawrence Garden, Lahore and I just came here to make this short video. As you know, already I'm running a channel and you have subscribed that channel as well, and thank you very much for that. But now I have made another channel for my vlogs. Actually, I'm making videos in two different ways. One, I'm making video lectures, and those video lectures are of serious nature and they are in the classroom environment. So for that I've got a separate channel. And for my vlogs, now you know I'm making vlogs with Adin Asad, with Shumaila Najam and with Mustain Asad as well. So for vlogs I have made this new channel, and this channel is for IELTS vlogs. So I request you all to subscribe my vlog channel as well. As you have already subscribed this channel Asad Yaqub, you should subscribe my other channel, that is Asad Yaqub Vlogs. So please right now just go subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon Asad Yaqub Vlogs, and there I will teach you IELTS with fun, with entertainment, with enjoyment. I will make IELTS vlogs, I will make IELTS travelogues. While traveling I'll make IELTS videos, and all the outdoor videos of IELTS I'm going to upload on my channel Asad Yaqub Vlogs. So please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you very much indeed for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best from Lawrence Garden. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.